Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm going to talk about a person who I admire and respect too much. He doesn't exist. He is a fictional character. He is part of the main characters of the novel titled Heaven Official's Blessing, and his name is Xie or Hua Cheng or Crimson Rain South Flower. He was born in the kingdom of xianLe on June 10th, and he is more than 8,000 years old. He is a ghost born from Mount Tong Lu, and currently he lives and controls in the ghost city with his husband Xie Lian. He enjoys dressing up with red clothes and black boots with chairs of silver butterflies dangling from them, and also use silver bracelets with butterflies engraved on them. The butterflies are like personal sign. He wears a black patch in his over his right eye, and he's very tall. His his hair is black, long and messy. Has a braid on the right side of tied with a red pearl. He is charismatic and intelligent with a nonchalant attitude. Also, is so arrogant, and well, why not? And but with Xie Lian, he is very lovely and respectful. Finally, he has Xie Lian's name tattooed on his forearm, right there. And funny fact, nobody can read it because he doesn't have good handwriting. And it result, I love this character, and I hope that you like it. Bye.